Beauties, it's a full face of new makeup. One Size has launched their base thinner in bronze. Adding this to the perimeter of my face, it added beautiful warmth and glow to the skin. New luminous skin tint sticks from Bare Minerals. I'm using shade Dune. This is so creamy and blended out in no time. Using shade Chestnut to add some definition. Love how effortlessly this just blends into the skin and looks like skin. It's giving light to medium coverage with luminous finish. Milk Makeup launched new concealer sticks. This is in their Hydro Grip Gel line. This is my third time using this. It's a creamy stick concealer that blends out beautifully with medium coverage. It is also brightening. Benefit Cosmetics launched new blushes, Dewy Gel Blush Sticks, Airy Liquid Blushes. I'm gonna try Dewy Gel Blush Stick on one side, Airy Liquid Blush on the other side. Both actually looks so pretty. Both have buildable pigmentation and easy to blend. This gives you dewy finish. The liquid blush gives you satin finish. This has gel texture. This has moussey liquid texture. Hard Candy has launched new Blur on Lock setting powder. It comes with 3 shades. Many brands have come up with colored powders, but you get 3 shades in one jar. Green is supposed to cancel out the redness, so I'm gonna use this lightest shade to set my concealer. Then I'm gonna use the green on my cheek area where the redness from my skin peeks through. Light lavender shade to set my concealer. It's a very finely milled powder. It's so brightening. I'm gonna go with the green one and then just buff it. It's giving skin-like finish when you use minimal product. We have a new eyeshadow palette to try on. This one is from What's Up Beauty, the Skyfire eyeshadow palette. These are swatches of their shimmer eyeshadows. Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. The duochrome shimmers from this palette are out of the world. Urban Decay launched new liquid stick retractable eyeliner. I'm gonna use the black and green. These glides on so smooth and has pigmentation like a liquid liner. It comes with a brush like this, easy to create smoky eyes as well. It also doesn't move all day. I don't have a new mascara to try on, so I'm using my favorite YSL Beauty mascara. Hard Candy has new lip stain. This is in the shade Strawberry Spritz. Feels hydrating and the pigmentation is amazing. I had to wipe a little bit. Catrice has new gel glide lip liner. This is in the shade Sass and Flirty. This is so pigmented as well. Catrice also has new Filler Supreme lip gloss. This is in the shade Fairy Tale Filter. It's lightweight and comfortable. Catrice launched new highlighters. It's called Aura Glam Bouncy Highlighter. I'm using the shade Moonlit Sand. This is an intense highlighter, less is more with this one. I love the glow that it's giving. And this is how the look has turned out. It looks vibrant and perfect for summers. I liked so many products that I tried today, but skin tint and eye products are top notch. I hope this video helps.